kids. For today's short lecture, we will be learning about soil. In our previous classes, we have already covered topics such as India's total frontier and extension. We have learned about India's northernmost extension, its southernmost extension, its easternmost, and its westernmost. We have also seen that there is a 2 hours time difference from our easternmost to our westernmost part. But then, because of something known as Indian Standard Time or IST, which lies at 82 degrees and 30 minutes east, there is a single time zone across the country. From there on, we have seen the states where Tropic of Cancer passes through. We have also learned about the Himalayas. We have learned about the drainage pattern. We have learned about the various rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. We have seen where do they originate, their tributaries, their left bank and right bank tributaries, where do they originate, then their flow, in which direction do they flow. So these are some of the important questions which gets asked in the exam. Now we are coming on to our next topic, which is soils. Questions from soil often gets asked such as cotton is grown in which kind of soil, what is it also known as. Then something will be given like this dash kind of soil is good or grown in hot and humid climate. We will also learn how soil is formed, what are the different kinds of soil, and what are the various features and their differences. So let's start with today's class. So firstly, we have soil comprises of solid components, minerals and plants, and a sponge-like part holding air and water. Soil is formed through weathering. So what is weathering? Weathering is your basically breaking down of rocks due to natural factors such as wind, erosion, rainfall, and other factors. Then we have something as pedogenesis. So what is pedogenesis? So pedogenesis is nothing but it's the formation or development of soil. So the process of soil development is called pedogenesis. The process of development of soil. Then we have clay. Clay being the finest of all plays the most important role in soil chemistry. Now we come on to something known as soil horizon or soil profile. So what is soil horizon? So basically there is a vertical division in layers of soil. We have topsoil, mid soil, and bottom soil or bedrock. Similarly, those horizons can also be known as horizon A, horizon B, and horizon C. So what is horizon A or topsoil? It's organic matter, minerals, nutrients for plants. Then you have horizon B or subsoil. More minerals, less humus, and it's known as a transition zone. Horizon C or weathered rock. Loose parent rock, basis for upper layer. So these are your three division. Basically, we have topsoil, subsoil, and weathered rock. That is horizon A, horizon B, and horizon C. Horizon A is your topsoil, organic matter. Horizon B is subsoil, more mineral, less humus, and horizon C is loose parent rock. Done. Now we come on to key properties or in key properties. Firstly, we have color. Dark soils with humus rich content are fertile. Red or yellow indicates iron presence. Dark soil indicates fertility. Then we have texture. Texture is determined by sand, silt, and clay. It affects water content, flow, nutrient retention, and aeration. Loamy soil contains 40% sand, 40% silt, 20% clay. So this is very important. Loamy soil. Loamy soil contains 40% sand, 40% silt, and 20% of clay. Then we have text structure, refers to soil particle arrangement, influences permeability and porosity, impacts water and gas passage through the soil, right? So basically we have color, texture, and structure. Dark soil shows fertility. Red or yellow soil shows iron presence. Texture is determined by sand, silt, and clay proportions. Structure refers to soil particle arrangement, influences permeability and porosity, impacts water and gas passage through the soil, right? Soil pH indicates acidity or alkalinity. So optimal soil pH is 4 to 10, but varies with plant species. Alkaline is found in arid regions, acidic is found in humid regions. So this is something very important. Alkaline in arid, acidic in humid areas. So now we come on to soil order names and meanings. This is something very, very important. So they will give down the names such as Alfie. So it will be what? So these are the soil names and meaning. Alfisol, rich in aluminium and iron. Andisol, formed from volcanic ash. Aridisol, soils of dry climate. Antisol, young, undeveloped. Gelisol, permafrost region. Histo is high in organic matter. Inceptisol, young with some development. Mollisol, soft, fertile soil. Oxysol, high in oxygen containing compounds. Spodosol, ash-like appearance. Fultisol, highly leached. And vertisol, heavy clay. So these are some of the very, very important points. So just have a reading. Again, a basic recap. Alfisol is rich in aluminium and iron. Andisol, formed from volcanic ash. Aridisol, soils of dry climate. Antisol, young, undeveloped. Gelisol, permafrost region. Histosol, high in organic matter. Inceptisol, young but with some development. Mollisol, soft, fertile soil. Oxysol, high in oxygen. Spodosol, ash-like appearance. Altisol, highly leached. Vertisol, heavy clay. So this is a PYQ. So we can see questions often get asked from this antisol, inceptisol, histosol, oxysol, right? So now we come on to major soil types in India. We have alluvial soil. It's because of river deposit covers 40% of India. It's fertile. Alluvial soil varies in nature from sandy, loamy, clay. It's rich in potash but poor in phosphorus. We have red and yellow soil, covers 18.5% of India, found in low rainfall areas. Color from iron content. Deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus, humus. Crops such as wheat, cotton, oilseeds, millets, tobacco, and pulses are grown. We have black soil. It is also known as your Ragar soil, covers 15% of India, mostly Deccan Plateau. Deep in color, rich in iron, lime, aluminium, deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus, and crops grown are cotton, pulses, millets, and citrus fruits. Desert soil, as a name suggests, it's found in desert area. Laterite soil is important. Laterite soil is formed due to intense leaching, rich in iron oxide, low fertile, response to fertilizer. Mountain soil varies with location, generally coarse on slopes, fertile in valleys, acidic in snow zones, fertile lower down. Peaty and marshy soil, high rainfall area, rich in humus, black color, can be alkaline. Saline and alkaline soils, dry climates or poor drainage, high salt content. So with this, we have come to the end of our small lecture today. It was based on soils. Thank you, class.